Ketogenic is a term for a low-carb diet like the Atkins diet. The idea is for you to get more calories from protein and fat and less from carbohydrates. You cut back most on the carbs that are easy to digest, like sugar, soda, pastries, and white bread. When you eat less than 50 grams of carbs a day, your body eventually runs out of fuel blood sugar it can use quickly. This typically takes 3 to 4 days, then you'll start to break down protein and fat for energy, which can make you lose weight. This is called ketosis. It's important to note that the ketogenic diet is a short-term diet that's focused on weight loss, rather than the pursuit of health benefits. People use a ketogenic diet most often to lose weight, but it can help manage certain medical conditions, like epilepsy. 2. It also may help people with heart disease, certain brain diseases, and even acne. But there needs to be more research in those areas. A ketogenic diet may help you lose more weight in the first 3 to 6 months than some other diets. This may be because it takes more calories to change fat into energy than it does to change carbs into energy. It seems strange that a diet that calls for more fat can raise good cholesterol and lower bad cholesterol, but ketogenic diets are linked to just that. It may be because the lower levels of insulin that result from these diets can stop your body from making more cholesterol. Low-carb diets seem to help keep your blood sugar lower and more predictable than other diets, but when your body burns fat for energy, it makes compounds called ketones. If you have diabetes, particularly type 1, too many ketones in your blood can make you sick. So it's very important to work with your doctor on any changes in your diet. Keto diets work to control seizures by inducing a state of ketosis. This switches the body's metabolism from burning glucose for energy to using ketone bodies. It is thought these two fuel sources act differently on parts of the brain that trigger seizures. These affect your brain and spine, as well as the nerves that link them together. Epilepsy is one, but others may be helped by a ketogenic diet as well, including Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and sleep disorders. Scientists aren't sure why, but it may be that the ketones your body makes when it breaks down fat for energy help protect your brain cells from damage. This is when a woman's ovaries get larger than they should be, and small fluid-filled sacs form around the eggs. High levels of insulin can cause it. Ketogenic diets, which lower both the amount of insulin you make and the amount you need, may help treat it, along with other lifestyle changes like exercise and weight loss. A ketogenic diet may help endurance athletes, runners, and cyclists, for example, when they train. Over time, it helps your muscle-to-fat ratio and raises the amount of oxygen your body is able to use when it's working hard. But while it might help in training, it may not work as well as other diets for peak performance.